Hey YouTubers, it's Josie. Time now is 2:19. Gonna see if I can burp. Oh yeah. Okay. Ew. Oh, fudge. It's okay. Let's do it again. You ever like suck in enough air and then it's like you're ready to just let it go, but then you get cut off and then you can't? That's what I feel right now. And it's like it's going and it's going and this stops. That sucks. Alright, I'm gonna try again. I didn't get stopped there. Yeah, this is it. Okay. One more. And then I'll just finish. Okay. Oh! That's what I mean. I got cut off. Right? Oh! Oh, I got way cut off. That's how you release it all. Whew. I mean, the air. That wasn't even a burp. That was just all the air. It was building and building and building. Yeah. All right. One more, and then I'll stop. Promise. Noticed. That surprised me too. Alright, well, tell me what you think. Let's see. If you want to give out a shout out on my burping, maybe I can try to burp your name. I don't know. Give me a challenge, I guess. I've never done my ABCs. Maybe I can work on that next. But, till next time, see y'all later. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do another video tomorrow. So if there's 2 today, it's because of the burping and because of the dog seizure. So,